How to use the Safer Bases app. Let's set the scene. You're between jobs, waiting for a brief, or grabbing a quick brew. That's all it takes to build your safety edge. The Safer Bases app isn't another system to manage, it's your on-hand toolkit. Short lessons, quick answers, and clear support whenever you need it. Because safety doesn't stop when the shift ends. And with this, neither does your awareness. The potential impact. When information's easy to access, it gets used. And when safety learning fits around real life, it becomes habit, not homework. Let's make this super simple. 1. Open the app and explore one module at a time. Each lesson takes under 3 minutes. 2. Use the Safety Buddy chat to get fast, practical guidance on any safety concern. 3. Save key lessons for quick refreshers before shifts or site visits. 4. Share what you learn. Knowledge multiplies when it's passed on. 5. Check the app regularly for updates, challenges, and new safety insights. Why this will make you and the base hard to hack. The best teams stay informed, not just compliant. By keeping your safety toolkit in your pocket, you turn learning into readiness on your terms. It's small actions like these that keep the base sharp, safe, and always prepared. That steadiness spreads to your mates, your section, your base. Next up. The law still applies, even here you're on a base, not above the law. See you in the next video.